Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about my weekend plan using I'm going to. This is a simple and easy way to talk about the future. Listen carefully and try to remember the sentences. At the end of the video, I'll ask you to write your weekend plans in the comments. Are you ready? Let's start. This weekend, I'm going to have a relaxing and fun time. On Saturday morning, I'm going to wake up early and have breakfast with my family. After that, I'm going to go to the park and walk with my husband. We are going to enjoy the fresh air and talk together. In the afternoon, I'm going to clean my house and do the laundry. It's a little boring, but I'm going to listen to music while I clean, so it will be more fun. In the evening, I'm going to cook a nice dinner and watch a movie at home. On Sunday, I'm going to visit my friend. We're going to drink coffee and talk about our week. Later, we are going to go grocery shopping and prepare food for the week. Tonight, I'm going to relax, read a book, and sleep early because I'm going to have a busy week. Thanks for watching my video. Now it's your turn. What are you going to do this weekend? Are you going to stay home, go shopping, visit friends, or relax? Write your weekend plans in the comments using I'm going to. Okay, I can't wait to read your ideas. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video if you enjoyed it. Thank you.